So I had to get my Indian visa today because I have a flight that goes out on Sunday, and I ran out of pages in my passport. I used all my visa pages up. Basically, I came here at about 1 p.m. I now have pages, and it's been literally less than 2 hours.
Our counter is the busiest counter in the nation. The passport agencies are basically for people traveling within 14 days or need to submit their passport for a visa within 28 days. So we're really seeing people with short turnarounds.
I just got my U.S. naturalization, so I was here to get my passport today so I can start flying. I'm a flight attendant. I wasn't thinking it was possible, but then I found out online that it's possible, so I'm really excited.
I lost it. There were other services that I saw, the private companies, I guess, that charge like crazy amounts of money, and it would have been like $600 for a passport.
A renewal is $110, plus the $60 expedite fee would be $170.
I didn't know what to expect. I had an appointment for 8 o'clock, and there was a line around the corner when I got here at 7:30, so that I wasn't expecting.
We measure the productivity of our employees, including timing how quickly they can accomplish a task. When we time the people at the New York office, we can't use them in our average because they work so much faster and more efficiently than anywhere else in our 26 counter agencies that we would skew the statistics. Nobody else could keep up.
I'm about to go get lunch, satisfied that I can go to India. It's been as amazing as possible.
Does this change your opinion about government agencies?
Actually, it's funny that you mentioned that because I was thinking that today. It has revolutionized my understanding of government agencies.